In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw fiat from Kucoin without paying extra fees. First, open the Kucoin app or website and log into your account. Before withdrawing fiat, make sure your funds are already in a fiat balance, such as euros or US dollars. If your funds are still in cryptocurrency, you'll need to convert them first by going to the trade section and selling the crypto for your preferred fiat currency. Next, go to the Assets section and open your funding account. From there, select the fiat currency you want to withdraw and tap Withdraw. Kucoin will show you the available withdrawal methods, which may include bank transfer or third-party payment providers depending on your region. To avoid extra fees, choose the lowest fee withdrawal option available in the list. In many cases, bank transfers or certain local payment methods offer lower fees compared to card withdrawals or third-party services. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the transaction details, and confirm the request. You may also need to complete security verification such as email confirmation or two-factor authentication. Once the request is processed, the funds will be sent to your bank account according to the processing time shown in Kucoin. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.